Indian Medical Association President Dr. J.A. Jayalal has said that holding any festival is not advisable as it can be dangerous. The Indian Medical Association has also requested the government to reconsider their decisions regarding any kind of mass gatherings. This appeal is coming when Odisha's Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra is in full swing with a number of COVID restrictions in place. The multi-state Kavar Yatra procession is also around the corner, and officials are trying to figure out how such a yatra can take place amidst a pandemic. Several instances have been reported in the last 1 year of how religious events have turned into a super spreader. The annual Rath Yatra is underway in Odisha's temple town Puri amidst the strict COVID curbs. The Rath Yatra is associated with Lord Jagannath. Like last year, this year, Rath Yatra is being taken out without devotees, and only temple officials are allowed to attend and pull chariots of the Trinity Bhagwan Jagannath, Balabhadra and Devi Subhadra. Under the COVID guidelines, only negative COVID report people are allowed to attend this event. Servitors attending the rituals were subject to RT-PCR tests, and only negative ones were allowed in Sri Mandir temple complex. The Supreme Court had put stamp of approval on Odisha government's decision to allow Rath Yatra only at the main Jagannath temple of Odisha. Prime Minister also greeted countrymen saying that we bow to Lord Jagannath and pray his blessings bring good health and prosperity in everyone's lives.
The chariot festival is underway here in Puri at the Jagannath temple. We can see the chariots over here, the chariots of Goddess Subhadra and Lord Jagannath, which are here because the chariot of Lord Balabhadra has already begun its journey from here with the Purohits pulling the chariot all the way from the Jagannath temple to the Gundecha temple, which is around 3 kilometers away. After this chariot is being pulled, only then will the other two chariots be pulled by the Purohits following this one. We can see Purohits pulling this chariot, and they have undergone an RT-PCR test amid strict COVID protocols. They have tested negative. They have also been vaccinated, only then permitted to participate in this festival. Apart from that, around 800 police officials and other temple officials have been permitted after testing negative for COVID-19. While the Purohits are pulling the chariot, there is sanitization being taken place. Continuous sanitization measures are in place amidst COVID-19 protocols, amidst COVID-19, the pandemic, and in keeping with the protocols. Apart from this, devotees are not allowed to participate in this festival, and there is a curfew imposed from 8 p.m. on Sunday till Tuesday. With camera person Tapush Berry, Prema Rajam in Puri for India Today.
All right, Lord Jagannath temple across the country all decked up as devotees are celebrating the 144th annual Rath Yatra. Home Minister Amit Shah, who is in Ahmedabad, offered prayers at the Jagannath temple in the wee hours. He also performed Malla Aarti at the temple. Shah, along with his family, visited the temple and offered prayers. The annual Rath Yatra is being taken out today under COVID guidelines. People who tested negative will pull the chariot of Lord Jagannath. This year, 13 kilometers route of Lord Jagannath Rath Yatra will remain without devotees. Due to COVID, the timing of the yatra has been reduced to 6 hours from 12 hours. In an exclusive conversation with India Today, Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami on Kavar Yatra has said that safety of people is paramount importance and decisions are going to be taken accordingly. Let's listen in.
कावड़ यात्रा हमारी श्रद्धा और आस्था से जुड़ा हुआ विषय है, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ हमको लोगों की जान माल पर कोई खतरा ना आए, क्योंकि कावड़ यात्रा कोई 1 लाख 2 लाख लोगों की यात्रा नहीं है, ये कई करोड़ों की यात्रा है। और इसमें हम तो उत्तराखंड के जो लोग हैं या उत्तराखंड जो राज्य है उसमें केवल एक होस्ट के रूप में है। उसमें हरियाणा भी है, उसमें दिल्ली भी है, उसमें उत्तर प्रदेश की बड़ी संख्या है, मध्य प्रदेश के लोग भी हैं, तो हम तो होस्ट के रूप में हैं। और लेकिन हमें देखना यह है कि यात्रा चालू होने से लोगों के जान माल पर कोई खतरा ना आए, जो कोरोना की बात है वो ना फैले। तो हमारे लिए सबसे पहली प्राथमिकता है लोगों की जान माल की रक्षा करना। और देखिए, श्रद्धा और आस्था का विषय है, तो भगवान को भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि अगर किसी की जान जाएगी कावड़ यात्रा से। कावड़ यात्रा केवल उत्तराखंड की नहीं है, उत्तराखंड केवल एक होस्ट के रूप में हम सभी राज्यों से बात करेंगे। अभी अधिकारी लेवल पर बातें हुई हैं, अगर उच्च स्तर पर बात करने की आवश्यकता पड़ेगी तो उसकी भी बात करेंगे। और हमारे लिए सबसे पहली प्राथमिकता है कि लोगों की जान माल की रक्षा करें।